I think the real question is, what is the implication of AI for us, for people in jobs, in different industries, different careers? The common fear is that a lot of people are going to lose their jobs. I'm sure some new jobs will be created as well. But yeah, what's your view on it?
I think artificial intelligence will not eliminate jobs from the market. Net artificial intelligence is going to create massive opportunities, right?
Okay.
It's going to create a lot of new jobs. It has happened many times in history, right? IT created a lot of new jobs. Agriculture created a lot of new jobs. The Industrial Revolution created a lot of new jobs. And artificial intelligence will do the same. The question is, what are the kind of jobs that will be created by artificial intelligence, and what are the kind of jobs that will disappear with artificial intelligence, right?
But correct. But, I'm just sorry. I'm just going to stop you there, because obviously the level of expertise to use artificial intelligence in a work environment is higher than, for example, the Industrial Revolution creating factories, getting workers on a factory line. It's a far simpler task, right? It's a much more manual job. It's simpler to train. Artificial intelligence doesn't seem like something that is simple to train. So I'm just wondering, that statement where you made net, there won't be a reduction in jobs. Really? Isn't the whole point of also artificial intelligence being able to automate and replace a lot of...
Okay.
So, that's what
so
I'm
what we see.
at.
So what I think is that artificial intelligence is going to automate tasks, initially tasks that are very high volume, very repetitive, and very simple. Typical tasks, for example, in accounting, tasks that are back office in general, right? These are the kind of tasks that people in general do not enjoy doing because they are not creative tasks, right? Artificial intelligence is going to automate most of those tasks in the short run, right? Then we have other tasks that are more humanistic, more interpersonal, more management oriented. Here we have decision making. Here we have sense making. Here we have conflict resolution, people leadership, all these things that are more about human resources, more about the things that make us human, right? Creativity is another one of those, right?
But those jobs have always been around. So what's the impact that AI has been having? They've always been around.
No, those jobs will continue being around.
Okay.
And those are the jobs that are not going to be, that cannot be automated by artificial intelligence in the short run.
Right.
So what is going to happen is that people will move from repetitive tasks up the skill set ladder into jobs that are more humanistic.
Okay, so there definitely needs to be a transformation that certain people have to make, right?
People will have to upgrade their skills. People will have to upgrade their skills. However, I think this is the gift of artificial intelligence.
Okay.
I think artificial intelligence is going to make us more human because it's going to make us focus on those areas, on those tasks that cannot be done by machines. And those tasks are what make us really human. Creativity, interpersonal skills, etc., etc. As a result, I would argue that artificial intelligence is going to make the workplace more human and not less human. In the short run, this is what we can see in the next few decades. What will happen after that is very difficult to predict.
Okay. Do you have this vision of AI taking over the world and Skynet killing us all and that kind of thing?
From today's perspective, is unlikely.
Right. And you're more of an optimist.
However, I wouldn't say. Artificial intelligence can go wrong. Right? And that's why society has to put in place the right regulation and the right governance in order to make sure that artificial intelligence is used for the right purposes, right?
So this will come to the ethics bit that we're going to talk about. Absolutely. Okay, so let's get into that. In terms of practical terms, I think what you said is we need to start preparing ourselves for for a future where AI is going to be far more prevalent, which is already not even a far distant future, it's already happening now. And you were saying particular industries or particular kinds of jobs are more at risk than others. So what are some of those jobs, and how should people in those fields be preparing themselves? How do they upskill themselves? What do they do?